guys, so today we are going to be doing some nature painting. As you can see, I already started with two of the leaves I already had, and the ones that I already did was called white oak, and the second one I already did was hard fern. And I have two more leaves that I didn't paint, which I'm going to go ahead and paint. But this one is called the Lawson Side Pass, and I have a big piece right here, but I'm gonna go ahead and I went ahead and already took a little piece out, which I'm going to apply some paint on it. And with this one, I'm gonna go with the color yellow. So with this leaf, it's kind of rough and it's kind of like pokey. And with the other ones, some of the other leaves that I have, it's not as rough as this one. And I would say the one that's not as rough as my other leaves I have would be the white oak. It's pretty smooth, you know. And then for this one, it's the Western red oak. It's kind of pokey, I would say. It's kind of similar to this one, which is a Lawson Side Pass. And this one, I'm going to go ahead and paint this one the color red. I'm going to go ahead and take a piece off as well and paint it with the color red. I would say this one is similar to the Lawson one, like I said, because it's pokey and it looks similar to each other. And that's how this one came out. And for the hard fern, I would say it's kind of like the white oak. It's soft, a little rough. And yeah, thank you guys for joining my nature painting class today.